This gadget is marketed as a miracle electromagnetic antifreeze device that can melt snow and ice off your car instantly. Ads promise futuristic technology, no scraping, and effortless winter mornings. But here's the exposed truth. It's pure pseudoscience and a scam. On Amazon, the Enkimi electromagnetic antifreeze snow melting device sits at 1-star rating, with buyers calling it useless and misleading. The McGill Office for Science and Society has flagged similar electromagnetic gadgets as textbook pseudoscience, using scientific buzzwords without any real physics behind them. On Reddit, users in Moncton laugh at the product with comments confirming it's nothing more than a cheap heating pad rebranded with exaggerated claims. Electromagnetic fields simply cannot generate the heat required to melt snow or ice on a car windshield. What customers actually receive is a low quality pad that barely warms up, nowhere near the instant melt shown in ads. The device is not innovation, it's dropshipping pseudoscience with fake promises. If you want real winter relief, stick to proven tools like heated windshield covers, proper defroster sprays, or your car's built-in heating system.